Welcome to 10 News Network. Myself Singh Singita, and today we are at JP Public School, Greater Noida. As we know, CBSE 10th and 12th board exam results were announced. For every student, clearing 12th board exams with a flying colors is a significant milestone. We have with us some top performing students from JP Public School. First of all, heartiest congratulations to all of you from the 10 News team. Introduce yourself and tell us that whom did you dedicate your percentage and marks.
My name is Rishima Rajput. I scored 99.5% in boards exam in science stream, and I dedicated this percentage and to my parents. Of course, they were the ones who supported me through all my journey, and my teachers, of course, they were wonderful and helped me through this 3-year journey with JP. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Lavanya Bansal, and I have scored 98.25% in commerce stream, and I would like to dedicate this to my parents as well as my teachers who have done a lot for me, who have led this to be a very smooth journey throughout. Thank you.
What was your daily study routine during board exam preparation?
So, of course, my study hours were 8 hours in total. I started around 12 o'clock because my schedule is a little like I sleep late and wake up late. So 12 to 2, then lunch, and then again 3 to 6 or 7, and then a dinner break, and then again 9 to 12. Yeah,
So my routine was like, it's not very much key. This one is, I used to study around 4 to 5 hours max to max.
My study routine was not at all extraordinary. I did not even study 2 to 3 hours a day. Just used to practice a lot in the harder subjects like accountancy, and just complete my assignments and give sample papers. So this is lit.
How did you manage your time effectively between academics and co-curriculum activities?
I specified my time for when I study and for when I need to wind down and spend my time for the curriculars, so it was manageable.
I just focus on my studies, and it's manageable if you do your work effectively. Times manage.
I used to do a lot of co-scholastic work, and I used to go to academy for 2 hours every day. I used to play tennis a lot, and now I am on the urge of playing tennis tournaments. I played a lot of games during my preparation also, and watched a lot of YouTube, TV, documentaries.
Which subject you find most challenging, and how did you tackle from it?
For me, it was physics. Of course, the physics subject has been very difficult in boards. So I did a lot of sample papers and questions so that I can score good.
For me, it's economics. Obviously, I just do nothing but PYQs and lots of sample questions. Practice is must. You must be very much regular about your studies. Thank you.
I did not feel that any subject was hard, but I practiced accountancy a lot. Most of the students think that accountancy is very hard, but if you practice, you may gain a pace during your exams if you practice sample papers. And I was a little overconfident in accountancy that I will score good, but because the paper was unpredictable, so it led to scoring 93 only in accounts.
Can you share your future plans according to the interest area? What stream or course you would select?
I'm preparing for JEE Advanced right now, and I would be going for an engineering course. Yeah.
So firstly, right now I'm going to give CUT, then university, and my ultimate goal is to clear UPSC Civil Services examination and to be an IAS officer. Thank you.
I am on the urge of exploring the finance field, like the fields like CA, CMA, but want to do MBA from a good institute and want to be a financial analyst.
Thank you so much for sharing your views with 10 News Network, and a big congratulations to all of you, and the best of luck for your further journey.
Thank you.
Thank you.